Namaskar. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching one more video. Now this is a thought which I am going to share with you. This is regarding adding third dimension to our life. हम लोग किस तरीके से हमारा टू डायमेंशनल लाइफ जीते हैं और अगर तीसरा डायमेंशन हम लोग उसमें ऐड करते हैं या फोर्थ एक्सेस हम लोग अगर हमारी लाइफ में ऐड करते हैं तो किस तरीके से मज़ा आता है। तो हम लोग आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट व्हाट आर द टू डायमेंशंस ऑफ आवर लाइफ एंड दो एक्सिस क्या है हमारी लाइफ। सी वी ऑल आर born with two things take birth with us. There are two dimensions to our life. Now irrespective of where you are born, in which community you are born, आप कौन से देश में पैदा हुए, it makes no difference. There are always these two dimensions common with regards to everyone. First is relationship. You are born with some relationships. Like you have mother, you have father, you have sisters. If you have siblings है आपके पहले अगर कोई किसी ने जन्म लिया है तो आपके grandfathers, and you have certain relationship that take birth with you. Then one more thing that is common is that next dimension, second dimensions of life is money. Now whether you like it or you don't like it, uh, with your birth there is money involved. Money involved means आपको चीज़ें लगती है, you need to buy for you, your parents may buy things, मेडिसिन है, कुछ भी है, एजुकेशन है आपका, जैसे आगे बढ़ते हो. सो मनी इज़ ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ. सो इसकी वजह से इम्पैक्ट ये होता है कि जनरली पीपल ट्राई टू फुलफिल देयर लाइफ बाय फोकसिंग ऑन these two basic dimensions. They try to strengthen their relationships and they try to earn more money. Now these two are very good basic dimensions of life. You need money, definitely yes, and you need relationships, powerful relationships in your life, that is also true. लेकिन सिर्फ ये दो डायमेंशंस आपको लाइफ में खुश रखेंगे या फिर वो जो हम लोग बोलते हैं मज़ा आ गया वो लेवल का लाइफ देंगे, इसकी कोई गारंटी नहीं है. Now you'll find people have lot of money, many people have lot of money but they are not satisfied. You will find people they have lot of relationships, अच्छे relationships, they have got great relationships but still they feel something is missing in life. कुछ तो लाना पड़ेगा, कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा, and they keep on searching for something that will add spice to their life. So only money and relationships does not guarantee that you will have that great fulfilled मज़ा आने वाला life. For that you need to add third dimension to your life. Now those who have added the third dimension to their life, उनके लाइफ में पैसा भी है, ये भी है, रिलेशनशिप भी है, and they have great spice in their life. I'll give you few examples of third dimension. That could be sports, that could be contribution to others' life, that could be something like some music. Music could be the third dimension of your life. It is not necessary. This third dimension का एक मज़ा क्या है या फिर क्लियरिटी क्या है, इट इज़ नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो लाइफ में आपके लाइफ में हो, लेकिन वो लाओगे तो आपके लाइफ में बहुत मज़ा आएगा. एंड ईच वन कैन डू दैट. ईच वन हु इज़ वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो कैन ऐड third dimension to your life. And if you can add that third dimension to your life, trust me, your life will be magic. You आपके लाइफ में आप वो चीज़ें करना चालू करोगे. You will earn in fact more money and you will have more relationships working in your life. If you can add third or fourth, maybe one more dimension. Like imagine करो, तेंदुलकर earned lot of money. He has great relationships and he is enjoying his life. Look at all the जितने भी लोग हैं जो contribution में है, those who are contributing, they have that third dimension working in their life. So you and I need to add third dimension. See, my passion is also to contribute. I keep on reading programs for others. Now each time I did not earn money, but still it gave me satisfaction, because that is my third dimension of life. And when I connected that to my business, when I that connected my third dimension to my earning source, I started enjoying also, and I started earning more money also. So I want you, those who are watching this video, find out what third dimension you can add to your life. Add something like sports. कुछ नहीं तो आप म्यूजिक का कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट सीख लो, or if you're a good writer, start writing something, make others happy, and in return you will be happy. Find out that third spicy thing, spicy dimension of your life. Hone it, उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा काम कीजिए, and then you will find that your life is more interesting, more beautiful. It will be a lot of fun for you. And even if you are lacking in first two dimensions, that will give you strength to overcome those, and in fact you will go back to produce results in finance and relationships. So I would like to leave you with this question: what dimension you would like to add to your life? So this is the right time to think about it and add that third dimension to your life, or dimension to your life, and create a lot of fun. Thank you very much for watching this video. I would like to continue with my series of how to improve your self-image, but I thought of putting this video also. Send this video to as many people as you can, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to ask them to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you with one more video. Thank you very much. Have a great time.